Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a Reddit account. First, it's important to understand that selling accounts can be against Reddit's terms of service, so proceed with caution. We'll cover how to assess your account's value, focusing on factors like karma points and account age, which significantly influence its worth. Then, we'll discuss essential steps to prepare your account for a smooth transfer, ensuring all personal data is removed. To maximize your account's appeal, focus on its key metrics. Accounts with substantial karma, particularly from active and popular communities, are more desirable. An account that is several years old also adds significant value, often fetching a better price. Before listing, ensure you've completely scrubbed all personal information, including any linked email addresses and private messages, to protect your privacy. Finding the right buyer is crucial for a successful sale. Explore established online marketplaces that facilitate digital asset transactions, as these often provide a safer environment. When listing your account, be transparent about its statistics, such as total karma and creation date, highlighting any unique aspects like specific subreddit memberships. Be prepared to negotiate, aiming for a price that reflects your account's true value while remaining competitive. For a secure transaction, always use an escrow service. This protects both you and the buyer by holding funds until the account transfer is verified. Only release the account credentials once the escrow service confirms payment has been successfully received. After the sale, change all passwords and unlink any remaining personal information. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This ensures a smooth and safe exchange for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.